Okay, so we have some more entertainment lined up for you from here. It's going to be an array of dances. बहुत सारे entertainment आपके लिए है इस मंच पे. और there's a very very special dance that you're going to watch right now. It's not something that you can see on a regular stage. At least out of 200 to 300 shows I have hosted, I have never seen this performance, and I'm sure none of y'all have seen it either. It's a very special dance by the Kothars. They're a caste, they're a group of people from the Nilgiri Hills. They're from the Nilgiri Hills, they live there, and it's a folk dance that you will never get to see on a regular basis. The speciality of theirs is that there are a group of people who do not dance at regular stages. They're not people who oblige and come for shows like this. We, on special request, they have agreed to dance for an audience like y'all, so I'm hoping y'all encourage and y'all do support them while they are on stage. A few more things about them is their speciality is that they worship nature. For them, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து தெய்வம் வந்து இயற்கை. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம அவங்க வந்து போடுறது அவங்களோட வேஷம் வந்து is only in white. They wear only white. They stay in 7 different villages in Ooty. They are spread only across those 7 villages. You will only see this particular group of people across those 7 villages. They're going to perform for you a folk dance that is their speciality. So put your hands together. A loud round of applause for the Kothars from the Nilgiri Hills. I want to mention one thing. When the stage is opening, you all know that yesterday also this stage was put up. Fantastic stage, fantastic lighting. This whole event is such a grand success with so many people attending it only because of the event management company. Can we hear a round of applause for Joy and Joy Events? Let's give them a huge round of applause. இவங்க வந்து ரொம்பவே ஸ்பெஷலானவங்க. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது கோத்தர் என்ற ஒரு குரூப் வந்து ஊட்டில இருக்காங்க. பட் அவங்க வந்து ஜென்ரலாவே அவங்களோட வீட்டுக்கு வெளியில வர மாட்டாங்க. They're not people who are seen anywhere. They're a group of people who actually stick to their hometown or stick to their villages. It's a rule for them, not more like a custom for them that they're not allowed to go out. So ஏன் நான் ஸ்பெஷலா சொன்னேன்னா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கஸ்டம் இருந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு routine இருந்து they've deviated from that just to be in front of you, just to entertain you. So they deserve a round of applause. ரொம்பவே அழகா அவங்களோட ஃபோக் டான்ஸ் நம்ம முன்னாடி அவங்க வந்து பிரசன்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு குரூப் ஃப்ரம் தி நீலகிரி ஹில்ஸ் ரொம்பவே ஐ திங்க் நம்ம அவங்கள பத்தி கண்டிப்பா கேட்டிருப்போம். We've definitely heard about them. They're called the Badugas. I'm sure all of you all have heard of the Badagar group. And they, over time, over so many years, they have expanded quite a bit. Though the Kotars have only been expanded to 7 villages in Ooty, the Badagar community has expanded over all towns, all villages in Ooty. So they are spread across Ooty and they live in the Nilgiri Hills. And they are right now in more than 3 lakhs in number. So it's a huge thing for their community. It doesn't matter where you are from. I think all of us are happy to be Indians. All of us are happy to be a part of the human being race. So put your hands together and let's welcome for the next dance performance the Badagar community on stage. Thank you very much. ரொம்பவே வித்தியாசமான ஒரு டான்ஸ் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இது. ஆக்சுவலி நம்ம எல்லாருமே अवलो ईजिया பார்க்க முடியாத ஒரு டான்ஸ் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ். So I'm definitely मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने सब ये performances को enjoy किया और I'm sure that these are things that we can take back home and tell people about. Like when we've seen, you know, regular filmy kind of dances, then we forget it in a minute, but then these are the performances that always will last. Like when we go back home, we'll think about it and say, wow, that was so different. Anyhow, we move on to the next performance. What we have now is, again, something slightly different. If I have to talk about the person who's coming on stage next, I'm sure உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு முகம். ஏன்னா ரொம்பவே ஃபேமஸான சன் டிவில அசத்த போவதை யாரு என்ற ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியில அவங்க வந்தாங்க. அண்ட் அவங்கள அந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில வந்து பிரமாதமா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி ஒரு பெரிய பேர் வாங்கின ஒருத்தர். He's come here to perform in front of you. We all know that it's really difficult to play instruments. It's really difficult to make music or make any sort of sound with so much of difficulty. I think all the music composers put in so much of effort into bringing out those kind of sounds. But we have somebody with us today who is going to bring out all those kind of noises and sounds through just his vocal cords. So we're going to see how that's going to be done. A different performance with vocal effects. Put your hands together and let's welcome Prathi Niyan on stage. Just an announcement so that you'll stick to your seats. After this, we have a couple of more dances before we end the night. Very interesting dances, trust me. We have something that's a snake dance. We have something called fire dance. You're going to see actual fire on stage. So things that are actually visually a treat for y'all. So stay put till the end of the show. It's not going to take too long. After that, dinner will be served. Thank you very much. Prathi Niyan on stage.
Good evening, everybody. We have Mr. Pradinian coming from Trivandrum. You can give him a very big applause. You can really witness the greatest sound effects from Mr. Pradinian. So you will really enjoy this show he is going to give. And he is little weak in Tamil. So I will translate it here being with him. Whatever he says, you enjoy it. Thank you.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Namaskaram. Sir, can I check the mic?
Yeah, you check your mic.
Reverb. Echo venda. Reverb. Cancel echo. Echo venda. Reverb. 1, 2, 3.
So the greatest musician who has played so much of instruments, he is doing it in his mouth. This is a real great effort he has taken. It is very tough to do that show also. He has got a lot of sound effects to perform for you. Thank you.
Okay, and the seashore effect பண்ணிடலாம்ல, the seashore, கடல்.
So he is living in a seashore at Guruvayur, nearby Guruvayur in Kerala. So he is going to give the sound of the seashore. The sound of the seashore by Pradinian. You will really feel to clap. I request all of you, after the sound effect is over, you can clap. You will really enjoy. Check. You will really enjoy the sound up to the last. Okay, thank you.
Babu sir, that boat, the boat effect sound like.
In a long distance, a boat is coming. That effect he is going to give now.
Not clear. Come very close. That sound is very different.
Okay. The boat is going to come closer.
Thank you. I think now இது வந்து helicopter voice மாதிரி இருந்து feel பண்ணது correct தானே?
This you will feel that it is an helicopter voice.
No,
he is going to give.
Sound is very different.
Yes. Okay. The helicopter sound, the helicopter is flying little low.
அந்த ஃபேனோட வாய்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல அதுல
The helicopter fan is just rotating.
Beautiful rain. Okay. Rain after.
He's going to give a very heavy rains now. Everybody can put your handkerchiefs on your top of your head now. Even a drop of water is landing down now. So water has been stagnant on the floor that he has stamped and he has given that sound effect now.
The wood workshop cutting a small wood with blade.
And a small blade is going to cut a wood now. Okay.
Small wood, right? Thank you. Then big wood. Okay. Then plywood. You know plywood?
Yeah. He is going to give an aircraft sound now.
Plywood, right? Oh, sure.
Aeroplane now sound effect.
That first flight is very old flight, right? That sound is very different. In film, the sound is very changed. But the real voice is very different, real, very close. Fireworks.
Okay. He's come to yesterday's fireworks. What we have seen outside, he is doing it inside the hall now.
Then rocket. See this? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bye-bye.
Anyway, we got Pradinyan once again for another slot. Now we have a different dance, snake dance.
Okay, so yeah, listening to all this through the vocal cords is not something that all of us can do. I think none of us can even try something like what he did. It was a brilliant performance by Pradinyan. We're moving on to another dance. I've only seen this in movies, like Tamil Padangalla nariya ver the snake dance பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆனா அது நிஜமாவே ஸ்டேஜ்ல எப்படி பண்ண போறாங்கன்னு தெரியல. I've never seen something like this on stage. So for this particular performance, we have two performances from the same person and two different kind of performances. The first performance is a snake dance, followed by actual fire on stage. It's going to be a firecracker. We're going to have a fire dance as well. Put your hands together for this performance. Let's welcome Mr. Babu. How many of you have seen a snake dance or a fire dance live? पढ़ंगल अलग, मूवी में नहीं है, पिक्चर में नहीं, लाइव में, दो लोग. Okay, like very few of you. So the rest of you, are you ready to watch something that's spectacular, ma'am? Yes. Okay. Can I hear all of you from that side? I don't see any of you put your hands up or... Okay. This side. Okay. Wow. When I said that, this is a lot of enthusiasm. So we're going to see something that's spectacular. And do any of you want to try something like that? Do you want to try a fire dance at some point? I can tell them to teach you. Like apply the ointment on your body and then get the fire across you. Like I sometimes wonder, I've seen somebody in the past do this and they got burnt once. Like I was so upset because I was hosting that show as well. And they had applied all of that but they hadn't applied it under their feet. And there was this thing that they tripped over and fell on stage and they got burnt. So it's something that's very risky to do, but if there are so many people who take that risk just to entertain y'all, so I think all of y'all should give him a huge round of applause for taking such a big risk and doing this and presenting it to y'all. Can we have Mr. Babu on stage one last time? Keep the cheering going and clap for him till he's on stage. Put your hands together for Mr. Babu.